People squad. Is my face messy? If it is, I'm sorry. I just got ready for the day. Comment down below. Do you like my outfit? I love my outfit. I got these flowered pants on. This blue tank top. I straightened my hair a little bit more out when it was wet. And I also got these shoes. Ew. I got these shoes. They're brand new. And I love them. But yeah. Got those shoes and I'm eating a salad right now. I need to lose some weight to be skinny like that. I'm gonna do a workout and everything. So I'm eating a salad right now. I'll pick that up later. I'm almost done with it. You can see. And a couple more bites left. And then when my mom gets back, I'm gonna ask. Well, actually, I'm gonna ask my stepdad and my mom if I can shoot my gun. I have a baby gun. I have a baby gun. I will put it on my TikTok if you want to see that. But I won't put it on my TikTok. Let's see on TikTok instead. I will definitely put it on my TikTok. But until then, I will just watch this video. Done with my food. Look at the first salad I made. Yummy. I'm so eating out of it. It's delicious. But yeah. So delicious. I just drink water with it. But yeah. But if you do want to see it on my TikTok, it will be in the little icon right here. If you want to see it on my Snapchat, it will be on the little icon right here. If you want to see it on Instagram, it will be in the little icon right there. If you want to see it on Messenger or Twitter or Facebook, it will be right here. The Messenger, Twitter, and Facebook will be on my sister's account and the icon. But yeah, I'm gonna clean my mess up and then we're gonna get into the video. So I clean my mess up and I wanna fix me some cereal. I'm still hungry. Oof. I can't reach it though. I'll be back. I got a chair to help me because I can reach it better. I got my cereal. Ugh. I don't want a lot because I'm not that hungry. But I'm just a little hungry because that salad didn't fill me up. Yeah. So I got my cereal. This is my favorite cereal. Comment down below what your favorite cereal was. I ate cereal this morning. That's why I just fixed this bowl out from this morning. And I'm going to show you guys what's here. I'm going to get my cereal in the heat now. Oh. I just hit my toe. So I just got my dry cereal because nothing better than dry cereal. I'll be back with you. I'll be back with you guys when I get the boys out of Pokemon. Okay. This helped. So now I'm gonna ask my mom. First I'm gonna eat my cereal. Yeah. How come I eat my cereal?
Listen,
Yeah.
does that wrench need to be out? Anything that you got out, put it up.
I'll be back. I'm back. I'm gonna eat my cereal before I shoot my gun. My gun. Okay. I'm hungry all over the place. I'll go hot dog. Look at this. This is a thing. It's a little bit. Alright, let's go. That was satisfying. Mommy, can I shoot my gun?
I don't care. Tell your sister to get it.
Okay. Lina? You want to shoot your gun? Yeah. Mama said you have to get them. Okay. Get both of them. Stop, my sister's getting the guns. I'll be back when she gets the guns. I got my gun, so now I'm going to set the camera up. You can watch me shoot the gun. Yay! I'll be back. Okay. It's cocked.